Now, when you walk into a business, there's a lot of things that are going on. Your energy and how you're feeling about things. And you may want to take a step back and try this strategy for a moment. And that is find a sales buddy. Somebody in the company that is also doing a cold call setup just like you are. What's nice about buddy selling is the fact that you get to experience someone else's experience while you're also learning yours. And as you're learning this cold calling thing, everyone will adopt something that naturally works with them. Now, if you're not tracking this with that spreadsheet I told you about with all the positive versus how many people you visited with, you're not going to really know what works. But when you use a sales buddy, now the sales buddy system is very simple. Find somebody in the organization. I do a cold call and I have a witness. The salesperson, the other buddy, your buddy, other salesperson is there as witness. And you walk in together. Now, I'm the only one that would be speaking. If it's my turn, I'm the one speaking and your buddy is the witness. And the buddy's purpose is to give you some feedback when you get out of the business. That buddy is going to be a friendly person to say, listen, Robert, you spoke too fast, you weren't very clear, you seem nervous. These are all things that will help improve you. Now, you gotta be with a growth mindset here and be willing to take some criticism, but this criticism is important. Would you rather have the criticism from a gatekeeper or your buddy? I think we would all agree that this feedback mechanism will help you do these visits. The other thing you're going to love about a buddy system is this. It's actually fun. And you're going to learn a new technique that they are doing that maybe you don't do. And you can quickly realize that, hey, listen, he's got some skills that I can adopt, and I'm going to be teaching him skills as well. And by going through this process of learning together, by doing visit after visit, it gets exciting. Again, journal this together and compare his success and wins with your success and wins. And best of all, you're gonna stay focused and have that discipline to keep going to that next visit. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic sales day.